These easy, no-cooked, date-stuffed coconut ladoos are a perfect sweet treat for Diwali. A fusion of chewy dates, crunchy nuts, and aromatic coconut makes them irresistible. Bursting with rich and vibrant flavors, these ladoos are so easy to make and packed with deliciousness. You will absolutely love the chewy sweetness of dates combined with the rich coconut and nuts. Trust me, these ladoos are so good that once you taste them, they'll become a must-have for all your celebrations. Plus, they are no-cook, so you can whip them up in no time, making them a fantastic option for a last-minute festive edition. Let's start with the stuffing. First, grab your blender, add half a cup of soft pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 2 tablespoons of almonds, and 5 to 7 saffron strands. Blend everything until you have a smooth mixture. This date stuffing is the heart of our ladoos and adds that lovely sweetness. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a splash of warm water to help it blend together. Once blended, transfer the mixture to a plate and knead it gently to form a smooth dough. Take small portions of this mixture and roll them into tiny balls. These will be the delicious filling for our ladoos. Once the balls are ready, set them aside. Now let's make the coconut mixture. In your blender, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of milk powder, a quarter cup of cashews, half a cup of sugar, and 2-3 cardamom pods. Blend until everything is combined into a fine powder. If you want a rich flavor, you can also toast the coconut and nuts lightly before blending. Now transfer this coconut mixture to a plate and gradually add milk until it forms a smooth dough. Once the dough comes together, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and knead it again until smooth. The ghee will give our ladoos a lovely richness. To assemble, grease your palms lightly to prevent the sticking while rolling the ladoos. Take a small portion of coconut dough and flatten it in your palm. Place 1 date ball in the center and cover it with another piece of the coconut mixture. Seal the edges and roll it into a smooth ball. Repeat this for all the ladoos. Roll each laddu in some extra desiccated coconut for that lovely crunch. In a small mixing bowl, add saffron strands and crush them lightly. Add 1 tablespoon of water and let it cool completely. Once cool, add a drop of saffron water on each laddu for a beautiful touch. If you have edible silver leaves, you can add those as a festive decoration. And there you have your delicious sweet date stuffed coconut ladoos. These treats are perfect for sharing with family and friends during Diwali or any other festival. I hope you enjoy making and tasting these as much as I do. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delightful recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time!